In today's modern industrial landscape, the demand for efficiency, safety, and early fault detection is more critical than ever. Spot, the agile robot from Boston Dynamics, is designed to meet these challenges, combining advanced mobility, smart sensors, and built-in AI in a single robotic platform. Spot is already making an impact in real-world environments, such as Cargill's production facility in Amsterdam. This plant has been running for over 45 years and lacks modern sensors on many of its machines. That's where Spot steps in, providing automated routine inspections on critical assets. One of Spot's standout features is its ability to navigate various terrains. Thanks to its 4 highly stable legs and autonomous control system, it can walk at speeds up to 1.6 meters per second, around 5.2 kilometers per hour, climb stairs, and operate in tight or slippery spaces where humans may struggle. A single battery charge allows Spot to run for about 90 minutes, and its battery is hot swappable, meaning it can be replaced without shutting down the robot. With an IP54 rating, it's built to handle dusty and slightly wet environments without risk of damage. Spot is equipped with a FLIR thermal camera, making it extremely effective at spotting abnormal temperatures, like overheating bearings that could lead to serious damage. It also has acoustic sensors that can detect air or steam leaks, issues that often go unnoticed in manual inspections. At Cargill, for example, Spot helped identify problems with ventilation systems and inappropriate lubricants, simply through its consistent data collection. With SLAM, simultaneous localization and mapping, Spot can follow the exact same path at the same time intervals, capturing data with consistent distance and angle. This enables companies to analyze trends over time, comparing today's data with last week's or even last year's. It's a game changer compared to manual inspections, which are often inconsistent and don't provide digital records. Spot isn't a standalone tool. It works in tandem with Orbit, a robot fleet and data management platform. Orbit allows plant teams to schedule Spot's missions, manage routes, and store or share inspection data via an intuitive dashboard. Operators can simply check the dashboard at the start of a shift, saving time and supporting smarter decisions. Spot's newest feature is AI-powered visual inspection. By combining cameras with machine learning-based visual recognition, Spot can inspect for things like open doors, safety signage, fire extinguishers, or even spills of seeds or oil. Operators can even ask natural language questions, like, "Was there a spill near the pressing machine today?" And Spot will respond with visual evidence from its rounds. What's especially interesting is that Spot isn't built to replace humans, but to be their eyes and ears. It can carry up to 14 kilograms, meaning it can be outfitted with add-ons like LiDAR or specialized cameras depending on the industry's needs. Spot's presence on the shop floor also attracts younger talent by showing that the company embraces innovation. Spot by Boston Dynamics is more than just an inspection robot. It's a strategic investment to boost equipment reliability, workplace safety, and operational consistency. With rugged technical specs, terrain flexibility, and deep data analysis capabilities, Spot is the ideal solution for companies ready to take a bold step toward autonomous and sustainable operations. If you're in heavy industry, manufacturing, oil and gas, or food production, Spot delivers a real ROI, not only in cost savings, but in minimizing unexpected downtime and driving true digital transformation in your operations.